Licorice root is an amazing food choice for any individual trying to improve their overall health and does not need to be consumed in large doses to obtain its great health benefits. It can be added to teas, smoothies, and other recipes, which makes it easier to add to your diet than you may think. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of licorice root. First, licorice root is a great way to naturally boost our immunity and help to reduce the risk of developing certain illness and disease. It is used to not only treat, but prevent a number of different illnesses, even chronic disease. This is because licorice root has amazing antiviral properties that can help to strengthen the immune system, as well as many antioxidants that can reduce free radicals. Licorice root can also help to improve overall heart health as well as heart-related ailments. This is because licorice root contains unique extracts that can help to reduce acid reflux and heartburn. The high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in licorice root can also help to promote the health of our heart and reduce chronic heart ailments such as heart disease. Consuming licorice root regularly can also help to improve overall digestion, and more specifically, reduce symptoms associated with leaky gut syndrome. Licorice root has tremendous anti-inflammatory properties and can help to soothe the gut, which allows it to work as a natural remedy for leaky gut, while also reducing indigestion, gut pain, and cramps. It can also increase nutrient uptake. Another great health benefit of licorice root is that it can help to reduce adrenal fatigue naturally. This is important because there are many individuals who suffer from this condition due to an increase in physical and mental disorders and stress. Studies have shown that licorice root can help the body to regulate cortisol, known as the stress hormone, which can improve adrenal fatigue. Lastly, when consumed regularly, licorice root can help to reduce pain throughout the entire body effectively. This is because of its antispasmodic effects, which is especially helpful at reducing cramps and muscle pain. Licorice root can also help to relieve joint pain due to these antispasmodic properties, but also because of its powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.